I'm Katrina Camille Morales. I've spent 3 years as a bookkeeper managing accounts payable, receivable, and payroll. I once caught a red flag discrepancies that saved thousands, and with my CPA certification, I'm ready to excel as your public accountant. So why do I want this job? Your eco-friendly tech inspires me. I'm passionate about sustainability and see myself growing in this work environment. I thrive in fast-paced settings and deliver weekly updates perfect for your work styles. You might say my deadline-driven skill set fits your job description and I'm excited to join your team. What are your strengths and weaknesses? I'm a natural leader who thrives under pressure. I've exceeded KPIs and led diverse teams. Skills I bring to your operations is, and my weaknesses is as an introvert I used to avoid team updates. I took a communication skills course and now contribute confidently. Describe a challenge you face and how you handle it. A key client needed a pitch when my boss was out. You might say, I assured them via video, deliver it, and won the account, showing I can handle stressful situations. I break the task into steps, focusing on goals and keep me steady. Where do you see yourself in 5 years? I aim to lead a design team and streamline processes. Your dynamic work environment would grow my project management skills.